Good morning students. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am Shailesh from Oxaria Coaching Center. Today I will discuss on very specific topic trigonometric identities. In this section we shall study different type of critical problems which is associate of your board problems. So let us the very first question, how can we solve it? The question is sec of theta plus tan of theta minus of 1 upon tan of theta minus of sec theta plus of 1. In this question, we always remind that how can we arrange after using the formula for 1 and the term which is arranged in the very specific way till then the cancellation process is be applicable. So that the first concept is a plus p minus of 1 can be arranged in the various ways such as b minus of a plus of 1 and also a minus of 1 plus of b. This concept is very useful while solving this problem. So we can take LHS part. In the first way, LHS will be equal to sec of theta plus of tan of theta divided by tan of theta minus of sec of theta plus of 1. Sorry, here will be minus 1. Now, we always remind that what is the formula for a? 1 means sec square of theta minus of tan square theta. 1 means sin square theta plus of cos square theta. 1 means cosec square theta minus of cot square theta. But we can use sec square theta minus of tan square theta while solving this problem because this numerator part in the form of sec theta and tan theta. So this is the sec of theta plus of tan of theta minus of 1 means sec square of theta minus of tan square of theta divided by tan of theta minus sec of theta plus of 1. After that, sec of theta plus of tan of theta minus bracket into two parts. That means we can written as sec of theta plus tan of theta into sec of theta minus tan of theta. How can? Because we already know that a square minus of b square means a plus b. That means sum of terms minus into difference of two terms divided by tan of theta minus sec of theta plus of 1 equal to we can take common sec of theta plus tan of theta as a common because in this numerator part this part and this part is the common part. So we can take common as a sec theta plus of tan theta. After taking common we get here will be 1 minus of sec of theta minus tan of theta bracket close divided by tan of theta minus sec of theta plus of 1. After that sec of theta plus tan of theta. After removing the bracket, if we remove the bracket 1 minus of sec of theta minus into minus plus of tan of theta divided by tan of theta minus of sec of theta plus of 1. And if you concentrate tan theta present here minus of sec theta present here plus of 1 present here, that means here will be also plus 1 present, minus of sec theta present and also tan of theta is also present. That means these term cancel out with this term. After that sec of theta plus of tan theta, but we have to get the result in this form. So we have to change into sin and cos form. That means 1 upon cos of theta plus sine of theta upon cos of theta. And after taking LCM, if denominators are same, the process is 1 plus sine theta. And the specific case in some type of question, 1 plus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is not required according to this situation. So we will have to take rationalization of numerator. That means we have to multiply here 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 minus of sine theta. That means this is the rationalization part of 1 plus sine theta. Now 1 plus of sine theta into 1 minus of sine theta, that means 1 minus of sine square of theta divided by cos of theta into 1 minus of sine theta. And 1 minus sine square theta means cos square theta upon cos of theta into 1 minus of sine of theta. We have to get the result in the form of 1 minus sine theta. That's why we can put the rationalization of this part, that means numerator part. And we already know that cos square theta can be written as cos theta multiplied by cos of theta. That means cos theta cancel out with cos theta. That means cos of theta upon 1 minus of sine theta, which is required according to the question. That means LHS will be equal to RHS. Proved. Now you can take a screenshot. The next question is sine of theta minus of cos theta plus of 1 divided by sine theta plus of cos theta minus of 1. In this question, we have to change the numerator part and also the denominator part into tan and sec. That's why we have to divide by the numerator and also denominator divided by cos of theta. Why so? Sin theta upon cos theta, that means tan of theta, and cos theta cancel out with cos theta, that means 1, and 1 upon cos theta, that means sec of theta, according to previous question. So LHS will be equal to sine of theta minus of cos of theta plus of 1 divided by sine of theta plus of cos of theta minus of 1. Why can't we use 1 means sine square of theta plus cos square theta? Because sine square theta plus cos square theta, it is a little bit complicated to finding the common part. That's why we can use 1 for 1 sec square theta minus of tan square theta. But in this section we have to divide cos theta, because we have to find in the form of tan theta and sec theta. So sin theta upon cos theta plus of 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus of 1. Divide after dividing the numerator and denominator with sin theta upon cos of theta minus cos theta upon cos of theta plus of 1 upon cos of theta divided by same as sin theta upon cos of theta plus cos theta upon cos of theta minus 1 upon cos of theta. After dividing the nr and dr with cos of theta, after dividing nr and dr with cos theta, we get as a form of sin theta upon cos theta minus of cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus of 1 upon cos theta. We divide in each term with cos theta. So sin theta upon cos theta, tan of theta minus cos theta upon cos theta means 1, and 1 plus cos theta means sec of theta. And sin theta upon cos theta, tan of theta plus cos theta upon cos theta 1 minus of sec theta, according to previous question. That means we have to put here tan of theta plus of sec of theta minus of 1 divided by tan of theta plus of 1 minus of sec theta. According to previous question, we will have to use sec square of theta minus of tan square theta for 1. So the term will be tan of theta plus sec of theta plus sec of theta minus sec square of theta minus tan square of theta divided by, we can't change in this section in the denominator form, it is written as same way tan theta plus of 1 minus of sec theta. Why so? Because we want to cancel this term and after removing the common in the numerator part, that means tan of theta plus sec of theta minus sec square theta minus tan square theta can be written as sec of theta plus of tan of theta into sec of theta minus tan of theta divided by tan of theta plus of 1 minus of sec of theta. That means we have to take the common part in the numerator and denominator. Tan theta plus sec theta and tan theta plus sec theta is the common part in the numerator part. That means tan theta plus sec of theta can be taken out, and after taken out common, 1 is left here, 1 minus sec of theta and minus into minus plus of tan theta divided by, we can also arrange firstly 1, after that minus of sec theta, and after that tan of theta we already discussed. Now this cancel, this part and this part will be cancel out, and after that we get tan of theta plus sec of theta, but we have to find the result in this way. So after solving the RHS we can get tan theta plus sec theta. Now take RHS. RHS will be equal to 1 upon sec of theta minus tan of theta, and whenever we find the term in the this type, that means 1 upon a minus of b, we always replied in the rationalization form. That means we have to use sec of theta plus of tan theta in the rationalization form, sec of theta plus of tan of theta, and we can get sec theta plus tan theta once a sec theta plus of tan theta, that means sec of theta plus of tan of theta, and sec of theta minus of tan theta and sec of theta plus of tan theta. We can already know that sec square theta minus of tan square theta, and it will be 1, that means divided by 1, and 1 has nothing but only sec of theta plus of tan of theta, hence LHS equal to RHS. This question is very important for CBSE because this type of problem always critical while solving in the pressure way or pressure type of mood. So this is very important question. Please students, whenever you feel awkward while solving the problem, pause the videos and many times watch the videos. After watching many times these videos, you can very comfortable to solve this problem. Now you can take a screenshot. Dear students, in this section we will study about conditional type of problems. According to condition, a cos theta plus b sin of theta will be equal to m. This is the equation first, and a sin of theta minus b cos of theta will be equal to n, and this is the equation second. According to condition, we will have to change into the ma square plus n square format in the LHS part, LHS and the RHS in the a square plus of b square. That's why we have to squaring both the equation. Squaring the equation 1 and 2 throughout. After that a cos of theta plus b sin of theta the whole square plus a sin of theta minus b cos of theta the whole square. This is the LHS part, and this will be also LHS part, and this will be RHS part. That means a cos of theta plus b sin theta the whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta the whole square, and this is m, that means m square, and this is n, that means n square. And after solving, that means a square cos square of theta plus b square sin square of theta plus twice of, this is the Rx part and this is the b part. That means if we consider this is the a and this is the b, that means a plus b the whole square, that means a the whole square plus b the whole square plus twice of a into b. That means we can put here a cos of theta as the first term into b sin of theta. Same as we can also expand it, a square plus sin square of theta plus b square cos square of theta minus of twice of first term, that means a sin theta, and this is the second part, that means b cos theta, that means twice of a sin of theta into b cos of theta and equal to m square plus of n square. And let us discuss a square cos square theta, a square cos square theta and a square sin square theta mutually paired. Why so? Because in this section a square will be common, so we have to arrange in this form a square cos square of theta plus a square sin square of theta, same as b square sin square theta and b square cos square theta plus b square sin square of theta plus b square cos square of theta. And after that 2a into b, we have to arrange 2ab, that means plus 2 of ab into cos theta into sin theta into cos of theta into sin of theta, same as minus 2 into a into b, 2 of ab into cos theta into sin of theta will be equal to m square plus of n square, and 2 of ab cos theta into sin theta and 2 of ab sin theta into cos theta will be cancelled out, and after that we get a square is the common and cos square of theta plus sin square of theta and plus b square is the common, that means b square into sin square of theta plus cos square of theta will be equal to m square plus of n square, and we already know that cos square theta plus sin square theta means 1, that means a square into 1 same as b square into 1, that means m square plus of n square, and we can also say that a square बन जा a square plus b square बन जा b square, that means a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square, that means proved. You can take a screenshot.